So I'm gonna give you another product review on Anker soundbuds curve. So obviously it's a Bluetooth device and it's chargeable. So when this device is fully charged, the talk time is 14 hours and the play time is like 12 hours and 30 minutes. And if you're going to charge this one, so it will just gonna last 90 minutes to get it fully charged. And this how it's gonna look like when you unbox this. So the Anker logo is right here, and this one is clearly labeled, and this one is for the left ear, and it comes with a hook for a better grip on your ear. And right here is your control buttons for the volumes, and the one in the middle is your play and pause button, and it's also the turn on and turn off button. So turning this on, you just have to click like 2 seconds or press the middle button like 2 seconds until such time the blue status light will come out, as you can see here. So that means this Bluetooth device is already on. And after that, when you are going to use it, so just pair this one to your smartphones, and that will be ready to use. And also, what is good for this device is it comes with a very good and chic looking like case. So also in the case, you can find also the Anker logo, and it's zippered. Okay, as you can see here, it's zippered. And this one, I like this one. So it comes with a hook, so you can just like hook the case on your bag, and it's like an accessories on your bag, right? It really looks cool. And also it comes along with like 3 sets of uh, earbuds. It comes with different sizes. So like I guess I have 3 different sizes and a lot of them. It's really a lot. So if you're gonna lose the ones that is rightly installed on this device, so you can have a lot of extras. So as you can see, this is the extras for the one in here. Okay, and you also have here the extras for this buds. So there's a lot, right? And it also comes with, of course, the charging cord, and the sounds is really good. But there's already a comparison right now with the smart sound buds curve with the Spirit X. So as I have heard in the review on some YouTuber, this Spirit X is like a better version of this soundbuds curve, because they said that the bass on the Spirit X is better than this case soundbuds curve. But for me, I'm already good at this one. For the price of this, so I bought this one in a Lulu hypermarket on through online. So it's 16 KD and 900 feels. So around 3,000 pesos in the Philippines. But of course, it sounds like costly, but the quality of this technology is really good. So if you want to like order this one, so you can order also this one in Amazon. And if you are here in Kuwait, so you can just browse Lulu hypermarket and take the order there. So the charge for delivery is is only 1K. So it's very reasonable. So if you want to buy, then do what I say and enjoy. Thank you.